I am using a laptop cooling pad for my gaming laptop, and I have a problem with it. It looks exactly like what it is. Cheap Asian gaming equipment. So today I'm going to try to give it a new look. I plan to get rid of all this fancy futuristic plastic and build a new frame out of wood. First, I want to get an overview of what we have here. Sadly, this whole thing is just one piece of plastic, so next step would be to cut off the original frame. I have a few leftover pieces of oak from a previous project. My plan is to cut them into thinner pieces and make a frame out of it. I forgot to hit record when cutting them up, but here is a shot of my table saw. While the glue is drying, I want to replace these stickers with wood as well. For that, I am cutting down a few thinner pieces and then cutting them to fit with the bandsaw. Next day, and it's time to make the frame fit around the cooling pad. For that, I am marking out the outline and then I try to cut the shape out with the jigsaw. That didn't work at all, but I didn't want to scrap the idea just yet. So I cut the frame up into two pieces and wanted to try if I could get them to fit one by one. I am using a laptop cooling pad for my gaming laptop. So today I'm going to try to give it a new look. I have a few leftover pieces of oak from a previous project. My plan is to cut them into thinner pieces and make a frame out of it. So this time I plan to glue the pieces directly to the cooling pad one by one and go from there. As you can see, the edges are a little bit curved, but I'll try to sand it down so they are as even as possible for the glue up. I even cut out a few small pieces for these slots, but I think they doesn't look that good, so I'll probably take them out. For gluing, I'm just using a combination of CA glue and quick bonding epoxy. After the glue is cured, I just cut down the excess and try to make the edges even again for the corner pieces. So after everything was glued up, the underside wasn't really even. And I wanted it to be at the same height as the body of the cooling pad. For that, I'm just cutting it down with a multi-tool. So that didn't went well, but now it's part of the build. Now just some final sanding and applying finish. I think it looks good. And it will be very good looking with the new tabletop I'm planning out of free pallet wood in an upcoming video. Thank you for watching.